Replacing a Synergy milker can be managed by an operator. To begin, switch off power to the rail. Move the other milkers to create some working room round the milker that requires replacement. On the side, press the lever to release the catch on the protective cover. Release the trolley handle, then rotate it counterclockwise until it is fully unscrewed from the milker. Place it on the side. On the trolley plug, press down to release the latch and pull to disconnect the trolley from the milker. Push the trolley away. The trolley must only ever be moved by pushing its base along the rail. Never pull the trolley plug or cable. It is crucial to cover the trolley plug with a bag or bucket to prevent water damage since the trolley is not watertight while disconnected. Pull the locks on the front and back of the milker to release it from the rail. The milker can now be gently rolled over and washed underneath, or lifted and replaced with a new milker. Place the new milker on the rail and pull the front and back locks into position. You should see they connect securely into the hole and hear them click once they are correctly locked. Push the trolley back into its position. Make sure it lines up correctly and the trolley plastic is in contact with the milker. Insert the handle and tighten the trolley connection. When complete, push the handle down. Connect the trolley plug into the milker and secure the cover back in place. Turn the power to the rail back on and confirm the milker powers up correctly.